In this video, let me see about RSA algorithm problem number 3. Perform encryption and decryption using RSA algorithm for the following: P equal to 3, Q equal to 11, E equal to 7, M equal to 5, D equal to what? Okay, this is the problem. First of all, write the solution. Next, write the given data. What are the given data? P equal to 3 and Q equal to 11, E equal to 7, plain text value M equal to 5 and D equal to what? They are asking about D equal to what? Right? Next. Step 1. Step 1. Find N. Okay, N is nothing, size of the key. N is nothing but the size of the key. N equal to the multiplication of two prime numbers, right? P into Q. So N equal to P value was 3 and Q value was 11. So 3 into 11, N equal to 33. The size of the key is N equal to 33. Next step 2, calculate pi of N. Calculate pi of n. It's nothing, Euler-Tochian function. Pi of n, write the formula. Pi of n equal to P minus 1 and Q minus 1. Here P value 3. 3 minus 1 and Q value 11 minus 1. 2 into 10. Pi of n equal to 2 into 10 means pi of n equal to 20. Right, step 2 completed. Next, step 3, calculate decryption key. Calculate decryption key. D into E, congruence of 1 mod pi of n. Okay, here D into E value 3, right? The value, find the value of D, pi of n value 20. It's very simple step. I will explain one by one. Take this number 20, I'll add one number additional. 20 plus 1, 21, right? This is the first step. Next step, similarly, 20 into 2, so 40. 40 plus 1, that is 41. Similarly, next take at least 3 to 4 number. Then 20 into 3, that is 60. Right? Yes. 60 plus 1 equal to 61. Likewise, another one number. 20 into 4, that is 80. Right? Plus 1 equal to 81. I think this is enough. Take one by one number. This number. Okay. 21 divided by E. E value was 7. Right? The division is 3. So there is no remainder value. So this is the final answer for D. This very simple step. Okay. So 3. So remainder is 0. No, here remainder is 0. Right, it is here. Remainder equal to 0. This is the final answer. Take this number. So here D value equal to 3. So step 3 over. Next, write public and private key. Step 4, public key. The formula E comma N. Write E and N value. Here E value 7 and N value 33. Next, write private key. Private key formula D comma N. Likewise, right? D value 7, I think. D value 3, right? Yes. 3 comma 33. Okay. Step 4 over. Next is step 5. Right? Step 5. Encryption. Write the formula. encryption formula C equal to m to the power e mod n. Then C equal to m value 5. 5 to the power 7 mod n. N value 33. C equal to 5 to the power 10 7 by using calculator. 5 to the power 7 7 8 1 2 5 mod 33. Then C value, you have to find the value C. Here write step one by one. First 7 8 1 2 5 mod 33, right? Okay. Here three steps follow. First division, next multiplication, next subtraction. First division 7 8 1 2 5 divided by 33, nothing, n value, this is for n value, equal to division 2367.42. Here next step multiplication. Multiplication means here multiplication take this round value 2367 into 33. By using calculator to find the value of multiplication 78111. Next is subtraction. Take first the given number, this number 78125 minus 78111. The answer is 14. Okay. Don't forget the steps: division, multiplication and subtraction. This is for while revision time, this very useful for this one. Okay. So next find the value of C. Here C value is 14. Next step, the final step, decryption. The plain text. Okay, this is for cipher text, right? Next step 6, right? Decryption. Write the formula m equal to C to the power D mod n. Write the respective values. C value here 14, the D value 3, the 14 power 3 mod 33. 14 power 3 2744 mod 33. Here m. By using calculator to find the value of mod value, that is 2744 mod 33. This value. Okay. First division. Okay. First write the division 2744 division of 33, that is n value 33 83.15. Next multiplication. Here multiplication, take this number 83 into 33 equal to 2739. Next step subtraction. It's a formula. Okay, subtraction 2744 minus 2739. The value is 5. This is the final answer. Okay. Then m equal to 5. The answer is, it is m nothing but plain text. The answer is 5.